Hi, this is Seme from Apify. Hermes Agent is the newest agent harness that's taking the internet by the storm. And for good reason. It's super easy to use. You can give it any tool pretty simply, and you can actually install it with a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the Hermes Agent on your Mac with the actual app without using terminal. Then we're going to give it some Apify tools, access to 43,000 scrapers and other automation tools on Apify using the Apify MCP server. Then we're going to show it how to use those tools using the Apify Awesome Skills repo. So give it some of those skills. And then we'll take it a step further and actually integrate it with the Apify x402 integration, which means that it can actually sell some of those skills and tools to other agents. So we're going to make your Hermes work for you. All right, let's start. All right, so we're going to start by just type in Hermes. The actual agent is here in Hermes Agent News Research. There is the actual app. So download it, just open the download folder and just go ahead and install that on your Mac. And it just starts to actually install. It's going to install any dependencies that you need. So if you're not a coder, this is the perfect way. You don't need to think about things through CLI or your terminal. It just downloads all the dependencies on one go. All right, and this will take a few seconds. All right, so once it finishes installation, first thing it will ask you is to actually set up an API key for your LLM. So just I have an API key. I'm just going to use OpenAI here. Paste my key, and that should be it. The only thing is when you are setting in the API key, I just noticed that unless you have, of course, GitHub Copilot, this won't work. So you need to be at the right model. All right, here we go. Hello there. So two things to note here. If you actually go here, this is where your profile will be. You can actually set up your SOUL.md file. So the same way that OpenClaw uses this to kind of control the personality of the agent. So this is something definitely that you want to hold. And you can actually clone this from an existing agent if you have it. It's pretty simple too. Your settings are over here. There are some settings. So, if you need to provide a new API key for either an LLM tool or some other tools, you can do that here. The gateway is here. Of course, voice and the MCP servers are also here. So we're going to now install the Apify MCP server, right? So if you are an Apify user, so the best way is to first actually create your own MCP server URL. So let's go to mcp.apify.com here, and let us go to the actual actors. So we're going to add some actors. A great way to get the best actors is actually to go to the Agent Skills repo for Apify. And over here, you will see the different skills that we have. So these are curated skills with their appropriate actors. So the Apify Ultimate Scraper, for example, has some references to some skills that you want to use for enrichment of the contact info scrapers grade, leads finder. So let's add some of those contact details. All right, so I'm going to add that. Let's find the leads finder. All right, leads maybe. Okay, I'm going to add this one. It's a great price point there. You can add some more. Google Maps also works great, so you can add that. And what you will get is a URL with the actors already attached to them. So for example, here is the actual URL. You can copy that, but before I copy that, I'm just gonna add the actual bash command that I need. So I'm gonna copy that URL. So I'm gonna go to terminal. So you can just open terminal here. Okay, and what you want to do is actually add the URL that we generated, which is there, and just before I put Hermes MCP, add Apify, and that should connect. And when it says if it needs authentication, yes. Go back to Apify and actually put your API token. So go back to your account. And you can just go to settings over here. Pick your token. I've already created a token here. I'm just going to pick that. Now put that back. And that should connect. Yes. And then when here you can see all the tools that we're going to enable, including some of the cool lead generation tools that we have. So that's it. Now you can go back to your app and actually test the tools. All right. So I want to check if you have Apify tools via MCP, confirm which tools you have. All right, so then it will check the MCP list and all the tools that it has that it ran from actually Apify. And while it's doing that, let's point it also to the actual Agent Skills repo. Let's point it also to the actual Agent Skills repo. All right, so it found all these tools, great. Leads Finder, Scraper, great. All right, I want to also install these skills to use these tools. Please commit to your memory. And we do actually have another repo that is super important for other use cases, which is the Apify Awesome Skills repo. Here you will find a lot more use cases, including things like social media monitoring, ads enrichment. So if you go here to skills, you can actually point your Hermes agent to one of these. And with the MCP server, they're actually able to use it. All right. So let's go back here, see what it's doing. So it's installing the skill, and then you can just enable it. While it's doing that, we are going to actually give it the X402 integration. So if you go to Apify X402, here you will find our actual protocol. And what this protocol does is, as we said before, is allows agents to actually transact. So it creates a wallet, and once your Hermes agent has that wallet, it can store all the local files for enrichment or whatever in your, let's say, in your local machine. And then you can use it to actually sell the services that the agent has. So we're going to install this now. Maybe let me open another session here. Okay. While it's doing that, I want to install the Apify X402. Look at the docs here. All right. Let's go back here. So it's actually now it's using the skills to test the actors also via the MCP. Right. And here we can see that it got done. They installed the Apify skills locally, and it was saved to memory. All right. So let's test it. Please find me marketing and sales leads in Berlin that are working in IT, for example. Let's go back to the X402 here. And we can see that it's running. Okay. So it actually uses my MCPC. It is a protocol that Apify created for running MCP servers, and it is the actual protocol that is used by our X402. Here we can see that it's running the actors that we just loaded via MCP. And if you actually go to your profile, you can go to the runs and validate. Okay. So here we go. And here we can see the input that we used. Marketing and sales in Berlin, Germany. All right, great. So everything is going as per the plan. So it's running these jobs here. Now it looks like it will run the Instagram scraper, probably to triangulate the data. All right, we finished over here. We've got the different runs that they ran, and here's a summary of what was done. So we got 104 matching profiles for those sales and marketing people in Berlin. Some of the sample leads. Okay, let's create presentation from this data. So here we're just going to create a quick presentation, and over here where we have our X402, so he actually looked at how the protocol works. Great. So as part of the protocol, we actually do create an address, and that is the code for the address. All right, and use my wallet to run Apify Instagram scraper for, let's say, top accounts again in Berlin that are talking about AI. So what we've done now is actually we have the Apify MCP server. We gave him the skills. We tested it. We created the full kind of lead generation report here, and he's actually running it to do a presentation. And over here, we've attached our X402, and he's actually running it using the MCPC, which means that he's running it using this wallet address. And now what basically you can do is you can use that wallet address to sell different kind of services via, let's say, Apify tools like lead generation, sentiment analysis, etc. And you can define, for example, let me open a new session here. I want to use the recent X402 integration to let's say to sell these Apify skills and tools to other agents. Create a skill for this and commit it to your memory. Right. He's actually running now the scrape, and he's running the scrape purely based on my wallet. Okay. And over here, we've got this PowerPoint generator that he's created based on the Apify data that I have. And you can actually sell this type of PowerPoints to other agents or humans or whoever. Okay, here we go. All right, so it seems I don't have any gas here. All right, so I just refreshed. I'm just going to refresh the new wallet. I can run the actual MCPC command. It's just the wallet. Can you see my account? All right, let's go back and see also. Here we go. So let's see here. Okay, so it looks like he's running it on my new wallet here. All right, and over here we created that actual skill. All right, so it seems he had a small issue actually creating this, but that's fine. He actually generated the presentation, so I just click on it, and there you go. Nice presentation generated by Hermes. Let me put that up there. Got a nice presentation here with all of the IT and marketing sales leads that are in Berlin. Right, with their phone numbers. Okay. So he doesn't have a phone numbers, and I can just go back and ask him to actually generate those phone and enrich the presentation for me. We've got the actual phone. Some phones, some of them actually need validation, but that's something that you can do later. Great. Perfect. And now we have a deck that we can actually sell to other agents or other humans. Okay, and over here we've got an answer for how much it was cost. So basically what happens is when it comes to X402, there is a deposit that is taken, and after the run happens, that deposit is returned based on how much the run actually costs. So that's where he's actually waiting to see what the eventual cost is. All right, so I asked him about the cost, and he gave me the actual the granular costs for each of the scrapes, how much it costs. And then basically when your agent sells this to other agents, he can put their commission on top of this cost. So that's perfect. All right, great. So that's how you can install your Hermes agent, give him some Apify skills with the Apify MCP, point him to the right skills repo, and then give him X402. Super excited to see some of your clankers do some work for you. Until next time, we hope that you learned from this video. Thank you. So thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more helpful tutorials, and make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.